We upgrade your driving experience where stock fitment ends and style begins only at Kirti Car Accessories. This was the original steering of the car which had come along with the car in 2016 models BMW 3 Series GT model. We have changed it to a 2025 model steering. You can check out the stitching quality also. M Sports with red and blue stitching. This has gotten roller controls. Everything has been 100% activated. कोई भी feature miss नहीं हुआ है. ना कोई tampering, ना कोई wiring, cutting, snatching. This is a plug and play solution. You can check out the leather quality also of the steering cord. It is very premium leather which has been used in this thing. This was the original head unit which had come along with the car. Now we are changing this product to an Android 12.5 inches screen. It has got Android inbuilt in this. You can play YouTube, everything here. It has got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless with 4GB RAM, 64GB memory. The original stock features of the car. You can access this also. Not even a single feature of the car is been discontinued or deactivated. This is the cluster, manual cluster which comes with the car. BMW GT 3 Series 2016 model. We have changed it to a digital cluster. All the features are activated. In case जैसे लाइट स्पीडोमीटर का लाइट डिम होना चाहिए, तो जैसे ही हेडलाइट एक्टिवेट करते हैं स्पीडोमीटर का लाइट डिम हो जाता है इसके अंदर. अब ये हेडलाइट ऑफ कर रहा हूँ मैं, स्पीडोमीटर लाइट डार्क होता है. नाइट को ड्राइव करते वक्त आंखों पर लाइट प्रिक ना हो. फॉर मोर गुड क्वालिटी प्रीमियम लुक, एम स्पोर्ट्स के पेडल किट लगा है कार के अंदर. अंदर का लुक थोड़ा सा और भी अच्छा करने के लिए वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड द मल्टी कलर K4 सीरीज एम्बिएंट लाइट इन दिस कार. This is the stock unit's reverse camera's clarity and quality, and now we will activate the product what we have given in the Android. You can just check the clarity and the quality. This is the reverse quality. The camera quality has increased tremendously. We have kept the company original camera also activated, and we have attached a different camera which comes along with this head unit and the kit. Along with the interior, the customer was facing light issues, so we added Genom's projector fog lamps 3 inches. So friends, the last and the best part what we have done to this car, change the regular key and we have converted into a smart key. You can check this thing out. This is the screen on. I'll just slide it. Okay. Now if I want to unlock the car, I just have to press the unlock button. Car is unlocked. And if I want to lock the car, lock button and the car is locked. With a keyless entry activated for this BMW 3 Series GT. All the features whichever were there in this original key of the car are being activated here. You can see the lock button, the unlock button here. You can see the dicky openable switch. Now we are going to press the dicky openable switch and the trunk opens. And this is a chargeable key. You can see here, अभी इसका बैटरी डाउन है. You just need to charge it and it runs for 15 days and more. इंटीरियर से अगर आप देखने जाएंगे तो पुराना लुक कार का पूरा निकल चुका है और स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर, इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम और स्टीयरिंग के कारण द कार इज लुकिंग ब्रांड न्यू. सो गाइज, आपके पास कोई भी BMW होगा आपका 3 सीरीज 5 सीरीज, उसको आप 2025 का इंटीरियर का एस्थेटिक लुक्स आप हम दे सकते हैं. तो यू कैन श्योरली विजिट कीर्ति कार एक्सेसरीज फॉर द सेम थिंग.